PostgreSQL 19 did one small change, and that one matters. Run this command, show JIT, and JIT is off. And in older PostgreSQL version, JIT was enabled by default. If the planner estimate a high enough cost, PostgreSQL might enable and use JIT. In PostgreSQL 19, the default has been changed. If you run this same query, you will see that show JIT, it is off. So if you look at the left side, you will see that the JIT is on by default from PostgreSQL 11 to PostgreSQL 18. If you run the same query on the PostgreSQL 19, you look at the right side, you will see that it is off by default. So when JIT is off, you can see that you run your explain analyze on your query, you will see the execution time, and you note the execution time and see the complete explain analyze output. So set JIT is equal to on. There is no need to restart your PostgreSQL, reload your config. It's session based. You just set that and run the same query, and you notice the time change, execution time change in your query. It is using the JIT now. So you set the JIT and you run your explain analyze. It shows you the execution time reduced. So it was using the JIT. So you set JIT is equal to off. You can set JIT is what in the session base. And best way is to use that show JIT, explain analyze, set JIT on, explain analyze, and you will see the result. If you are getting the better result, use it. Otherwise, turn it off. Like, subscribe PostgreSQL channel. Every week you will see a new video about PostgreSQL.